So we're all aware that we have to be cleaning in between our teeth at least once a day, but there is a bewildering amount of products on the market. So let's start by talking about the TePe brushes, which are these. They range in size from very small to very large. They go in the point where the gums meet the teeth here, and it's a stroke with a slight twist as we go in and out, ideally 5 to 10 times. So the next option on my tray are very similar to the TePe brushes. They are rubber sticks, single use, and people find them easier to use because they taper from very small to slightly larger. They're not as effective at removing the plaque, but they work for some patients who find the TePe brushes difficult to use. The other option is to use a product which goes down through the contact points. The main product choices are floss, which you can cut off your required length, or flossettes, where it gives you a pre-cut length on a plastic handle. Let's start by talking about floss. You need a length roughly from your wrist to your elbow, wind most of it around the middle finger of your right hand, and then 2 turns around the middle finger of your left gives you your thumbs and index fingers to move the floss down through the spaces. The floss goes in through the contact point, adapt it to the tooth, and we pull it back up through the space again. The other option when considering floss is floss on a plastic handle, flossette. You go down through the space, make a C shape around the tooth, and then pull it back up through the space again. My personal preference are the TePe brushes. The research suggests that they're most effective at removing the bacterial plaque. However, for every patient it's different. If you've got very tight spaces, the TePe brushes may not be ideal for you. And in those cases, the flossette or the floss is absolutely fine. The key thing is cleaning in between your teeth at least once a day. Otherwise you're leaving a third of your tooth surface uncleaned, and we need to get to those areas which the toothbrush just doesn't get to.